In this video, we are going to discuss multiplication using the long method. What is the product of 2,345 times 456? Jot down your digits vertically into the correct place values: units, tens, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. Write the larger number at the top. We start by multiplying the units column first. 5 times 6 is 30. Enter the 0 and carry the 3 over. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 3 is 27. Write the 7 and carry the 2 over. 3 times 6 is 18, plus 2 is 20. Write down the 0 and carry the 2 over. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 2 is 14. So our answer is 14017. Now we repeat the process by multiplying by the tens column, which is the 5. So in the units column, we need to put a 0 down for our 10 as a placeholder. So we multiply by the 5, starting with the units column. 5 times 5 is 25. We carry our 2 over. 4 times 5 is 20, plus 2 is 22. We carry over the 2. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 2 is 17. We write the 7 down and carry the 1 over. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, so we enter 11. Now we repeat the process, this time multiplying by the digits in the hundreds column, which in this case is 4, representing 400. Don't forget to enter a 0 into the tens column and the units column to represent the 400 as a placeholder. Now we start with the units column. 5 times 4 is 20. We carry our 2 over to the tens column. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 2 is 18. We enter our 0 and carry the 1 over. 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1 is 13. We enter the 3 and carry the 1 over. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 1 is 9. Now we need to add up our digits. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 7 plus 5 is 12. We carry